Have you ever wondered what makes essential oils so powerful? What if I told you that just a few drops of nature's essence could change the way you live, physically, emotionally, and even spiritually? Today, we are about to embark on a journey into the heart of essential oils, where ancient wisdom meets modern healing. Welcome to the healthy path. Grab your favorite oil, sit back, and let's dive into how these tiny bottles hold the key to a healthier, more balanced life. So, what exactly are essential oils? They're highly concentrated extracts derived from various parts of plants, leaves, roots, flowers, seeds, and even the rinds of citrus fruits. The oil that you see in these small bottles captures the very essence of these plants, their fragrance, their healing properties, and the energy they emit. Essential oils aren't just about the smell. They're powerful plant medicine that can be used in a variety of ways. But how do they work? The secret lies in their high concentration, which makes them far more potent than dried herbs. To understand how essential oils are made, we need to look at the methods of extraction. There are three main techniques: steam distillation, resin tapping, and cold pressing. Steam distillation is the most common method. It involves passing steam through plant material, which releases the essential oils. These oils then condense and are collected in their purest form. Each plant requires a different combination of heat and pressure to produce the highest quality oil. Some oils, like frankincense and myrrh, come from trees. Resin is tapped from the tree's bark, and over time, it's collected and distilled into oil. For citrus oils, like lemon and orange, the rinds are cold pressed to release the refreshing oils. No heat is used in this process, just pressure. Now let's talk about potency. Essential oils are incredibly concentrated. Think about it. One bottle of lemon essential oil takes over 75 lemons to produce, and it takes more than 27 square feet of lavender to fill just one 15-milliliter bottle of oil. Each drop of essential oil carries the essence of the plant it was extracted from. It's amazing to think that such a small amount of liquid can pack so much power, but it's the concentrated nature of essential oils that makes them so effective. So, how do you use essential oils in your daily life? Let's explore the three main ways: topically, aromatically, and internally. Topically, you can apply essential oils directly to your skin. It could be as simple as rubbing a few drops of lavender oil on your temples to relax after a busy day, or using peppermint oil on sore muscles after a workout. For best results, we recommend diluting the oils with a carrier oil, like coconut oil or jojoba oil, especially if you have sensitive skin. Aromatically is one of the most popular ways to use oils. Diffuse them in your home to create a calming atmosphere, energize your space, or purify the air. The power of scent is incredible. It can boost your mood, clear your mind, and even trigger positive memories. Finally, internally, you can use oils in cooking or drinks. The Vitality line from Young Living includes oils safe for ingestion. Add a drop of lemon oil to your water for a refreshing, cleansing drink, or try adding a drop of peppermint to your tea for a soothing effect. Essential oils aren't just about fragrance, they are healing tools. Whether you need emotional support, physical relief, or a boost to your immune system, there's an oil for almost every need. Frankincense is known for its grounding and calming properties, making it a perfect companion for meditation or prayer. Lavender helps reduce stress, promoting relaxation and peaceful sleep. And oils like peppermint and eucalyptus can help clear your sinuses, soothe sore muscles, and even improve mental clarity. Now let's talk DIY. Essential oils are incredibly versatile. You can use them in everything from cleaning solutions to skincare treatments. Start with this simple DIY room spray. Combine water, a tablespoon of witch hazel, and 10 drops of your favorite oil, like lavender or citrus fresh. Shake it up, and you've got a fresh, chemical-free room spray. For your skincare, try this. Mix a few drops of frankincense with rosehip oil for a natural anti-aging facial oil. It's that easy to create your own beauty products, tailored just for you. Voiceover. While essential oils are powerful, it's important to use them safely. Always read the labels for instructions on dilution. Some oils are hot, meaning they can cause a tingling sensation, and some are photosensitive, so they should be used cautiously in the sun. For kids, we recommend using oils from our Kids Sense line, which are pre-diluted and formulated specifically for little ones. Always dilute more for children and consult a healthcare provider if you're pregnant or nursing. Essential oils are nature's gift to us, bringing peace, healing, and wellness into our everyday lives. From emotional support to natural beauty treatments and homemade cleaning solutions, they're truly transformative. But now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite essential oil, and how do you use it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation and help each other discover the magic of essential oils. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And remember, the journey to a healthier, more natural life starts with one drop at a time. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on the healthy path. Thanks for watching. Let us know what topics you'd like to see next, whether it's more essential oils, natural remedies, or wellness tips. We love hearing from you.